The path along a pond comes to an end with these beautiful violet flowers. It is a place of sanctuary like feeling. From the sounds of vehicles, people, the crowd, we can come here and enjoy a day, an hour, 2 hours or 3 hours of tranquil peace. This is the pond that I was talking about. There I can hear the sound of something. Let's see. Ah, yes, we can go there and see the deers that this deer park is famous for. Oh, there looks like some Shaliapatani common palm civet in here. Looks like he's sleeping or hiding. The park, beautiful in its own accord, enjoys a say to no plastic bag process. As you can see, there is also the path, but we are going to this side. You can see there are many deers. There is also the drinking water facility available here. We can see barking deer. Here we can see spotted deer, Chitra Harina, which has lifespan of 10 to 15 years. As you can see, they are running. So many beautiful spotted deers. So many. They are looking at us, wondering what this human is doing in their place. They seem to ignore us, except a fawn and a deer. Let's see other ways. This side we can see Children's Park, Toilet Complex, Lily Pond, and here it is spotted deer, Chosinga, barking deer, and wild boar. Wild boar? I didn't know that it has boars. And this path leads to the whole camp of deers. And this side is the grown jungle. Too many birds are sounding. Here you can see the old deers and the young ones. Some has bigger than the others. Very big horns on their head. This is the path alongside the deer park. It is going a long way. Also, the path is riddled with tall trees. I am alone here, but a companion would have been nice to roam here. Here is the Chosinga. It is shy in nature, being alone or with its teammate. We cannot see. There is also these paths going here and here inside this tree. It's a very big compound. It is the barking deer or kutura. Maybe we can't see it. This is the open jungle. This is the path what we have trod upon till now. It's the encampment of Barha, Indian wild boar. Indian wild boar or Barha. But seems like we can't see them nowhere in the camp. Shall we go that way? Let's see. I hope there is nothing life-threatening in here. They claim to it to be safe, but I am with nobody, so a little bit frightened. We have come to this path now, a water tank, and this grass plantation for the deer. There are fully grown grass and these are fledglings. Here we came to the children's playground. I guess you can see these things. In the path there is also these beautiful peonies. Looks so beautiful. Along the way, let's go to the children's park. This is the children's park. While I came with no child. The path we have chosen is a watery path, but we have prevailed and came to this. Hey, a seesaw. Ding 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 ding. Nice one. The rope climbing, the jhula, and the slider. There to rest. I love this one. This one is also nice. One side sliding. This rope climbing is also good for. There is a penalty for 12 years and above person. The seesaw also. There are toilet, female or male. There is a beautiful pond with purple lilies. These are the purple lilies. I hope you can see them. Beautiful with the leaves. Now this is the path to the interpretation center, audio visual interpretation center, but I think it is closed today, so some other time. But The surrounding is beautiful now, nonetheless. There is also peonies. It is closed, locked away. And here we are. Hi. This is the creator in the video. As we go. Such a surprise. I thought it was a it was a statue, but it's not. We can see the duck, the swan. A duck or a swan? I will take you to decide. But finding it here is a surprise for me as well. Well, this is the highlight of the story. Searching for its brethren. I hope it finds them. I hope it finds them. Looks like it found its brethren. It's coming this way. And here is its brethren. So many in here, as you can see. They are living here. They finally met. It found its family members. Look at it. They got together. Such a sight to behold. Found some people along the way, and again going to this side. This path is interesting. My shoe is getting sliding here. We came back to the place I had started from. This is a place to eat and drink. This is the place where I started. You can get ice cream and cold drinks. Here also peonies. Chocolate ice cream and cold drinks is available here. The canteen. This is the gate. This is nice with music and all. I think I'm gonna get a tea. One cup of tea is good for this weather. ଏଇଟା ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଟିକେ। You can sit here and drink the delicious tea. Let me take a sip. अदरक वाला चाय।